Prana Jnana Kriya, floating on a cloud of prana. This technique, when properly done, can lead into the pratyahara, or sense withdrawal, taught in the inner phases of Raja Yoga. In the antaranga inner phases of Raja Yoga, attaining to a deep, relaxed state is a necessary prerequisite for the deeper forms of concentration and meditation. The Jnana Kriyas all have a limitation in that they lead only to release from tension. And at that time, other phases of yoga practice can be undertaken. The relaxation achieved, though, is a boon in itself. When you are going to relax for a lengthy period, prepare your environment. Do not lie in a damp or musty place. Avoid a chill or draft if you possibly can. It may be necessary to cover your body with a light blanket or sheet to see that you are kept warm. When deeply relaxed, the blood pressure falls off and circulation slows down, so there is a tendency to feel cold. Avoid this as much as possible. If flies or other insects create a disturbance, a light cloth may be drawn over the body, including the face, to avoid any discomfort. Do not lie in the blazing sun or attempt relaxation techniques while lying in the full moonlight. Most prefer quietness or silence, but there would be little objection to soft music if you like, and to the fragrance of flowers and incense to create a harmonious atmosphere. Let's begin. Prana Jnana Kriya, as codified and taught by Yogamaharishi Dr. Swami Gitananda Giri, Guru Maharaj. To prepare for this relaxation, sit on your heels in Vajra Asana to perform 3 rounds of the cleansing breath, Mukha Bhastrika. Sitting on the heels, take a deep breath in and then performing the Kaki Mudra with your mouth, blessed out the breath without inhaling. Breathing in. Lowering your torso to the ground. As you inhale, lift your chin up to come back to Vajrasana with a full Mahat Yoga breath. Inhale, lift your chin. Stay here in Dharmika Asana and stretch your arms to place your hands on your feet. Breathe. Now lift your chin up as you inhale to come back to Vajrasana. And then slowly come down, lying on your mat with face and head to the north. Your body is now lying on the floor with your head to the north. Arms by your side, palms up, arms relaxed, fingers relaxed. The legs are together with heels touching each other. Lift your chin up to observe your body, making sure that you're fully aligned. Then totally relax. allowing your feet to splay out if needed. We will do a few rounds of Savitri Pranayama in the 6x3 count. Breathing in and out through the nose. Breathe out to prepare. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3. In. Hold. Out. Hold. 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 Relax. Continue to watch every phase of the breath. Be aware when the breath enters the nostrils, moves through the nasal vestibule, down the throat, into the back of the lungs. Observe its reverse, outward movement. Become so committed to the breath alone that nothing else distracts you. Concentrate on the breath until you become the breath. A subtle change takes place, scarcely noticeable, where you are no longer the body, but the breath. A deep, profound, but pleasing ecstasy will be observed as your body literally sings the praises of prana. Continue this Prana Jnana Kriya with full, deep, rhythmic breathing until you become one with the breath, the prana, and you'll be floating on a cloud of prana.